Ms. Gupta, can you please throw some light on the history of ghazal singing in India and how it is getting popularized with each passing day?
Yeah, we can say that ghazal is just not a specific form of music. It's basically a traditional form of bringing on the poetic emotions to the society, in different forms, and it's a series of couplets woven together, which can hit the chords of the soul of a common man, and basically through the lyrics. So we can say ghazals was this was an art form which was actually imported in our country when the Mughals came, and the roots were somewhere back in the 7th century, but they actually came in relevance somewhere around 13th to the 14th century, and actually it has been practiced by the Afghanis. You can say the Silk Route, the Afghanis, the Middle Easterns, and Pakistanis, Persians, and finally then in India. So I can say we adapted this ghazal form, this art, the singing form, much later. So as I said, when if we go back in history, when Mughals invaded India, so they with them this art form came here, and I can say if we talk about Rumi and Hafiz, initially it was taken by them, and now we can say that Ghalib or Amir Khusro, now they were the pillars. And in today's world, in present time, a lot of people had given the contribution. We can talk about the ghazal maestro Ghulam Ali Khan Sahab in our country, late great Jagjit Singh Sahab, Mehdi Hassan Sahab, and there are so many who are taking this art form ahead in a very, very good manner.
Because these things